All right, so starting off with the 3 facts about publishing in 2025 that you need to know. Number 1 is it doesn't take money to make money in 2025 when it comes to Amazon, KDP, and self-publishing. Back in the day, especially like when I started back in 2016, you used to have capital to publish on Amazon. You couldn't really do it for free. You had to have money. That's not the case anymore. You can literally publish a book for free, including writing it for free, even get your cover done for free, and publish a book and have that book make you thousands of dollars. That's literally what's possible in this day and age. What this does is it opens up the ability for anybody to start publishing on Amazon in 2025, and that's phenomenal. On the screen, you do see, I say $50 or less. And the reason being is, if you're starting a business that is costing you $50 or less, it was really free for you starting the business. And I want that because I'm talking to really 2 groups of people. I'm talking to my Westerners, okay, people who live in like first world countries, and then I'm talking to everyone else who lives in like third world countries. And when I speak to my Westernized, can I say that, Westernized people? I don't care. When I speak to all you guys, right, like Australia, UK, Canada, US, those countries, right? Okay, you can literally do this for $50 or less. And when I say $50 or less, I mean like the $50 is what you pay for your cover. You can write your book for free, but pay for a cover because it's always going to be a better job than what you're going to do yourself. Okay, now everyone else where like $50 is like your monthly salary, okay, then you can literally just do everything and learn how to create a cover for free yourself and just get better at that skill and still start for free. I hope that makes sense. I'm going to kind of elaborate why that's so important in one second. Creating a high quality book is what makes a book sell on Amazon, not reviews and ads. And this goes against, I think, what a lot of people like to say is like, yeah, you have to have reviews and ads on your book in order for your book to sell, but that's not 100% true. You have to have a kick-ass book first. You have to have a high quality book that people want in order for a book to sell. If you do create a product that people want, and you've done your research, you've done your customer research, you've done your niche research, you've nailed every aspect of your book, that book will start selling on Amazon organically. It will, if you've done your homework right. What are ads and what are reviews gonna do? Well, it's just gonna blow that up. It's just gonna accelerate that. But the first thing starts with having a super high quality book. And I touched on this a little bit earlier, right? But people living in third world countries, I'm speaking to you now, right? Africa, India, South America, there's obviously a ton more countries, but if you're living in a third world country, okay, it's never been easier than right now for you to completely change your family's situation or your situation if you're like a student. It has never been easier. Like, I've never seen this before. It's insane. And that is all thanks to one magical thing called AI. And I swear to God, like, I will fight to the death on this topic because, listen, if you're in India, the monthly salary in India is like 150 American dollars, roughly, okay? Where the monthly salary in America is like, I don't even know, like $4 grand. Okay, so if you take 2 publishers, Indian and American, this could be the most racist video I've ever produced. And if you take both of them and they start with nothing and they publish books and they follow what's in this video and they publish books and they both get to $1,000 a month, not 10, just $1,000 a month, whose life is it gonna change? The Indians. Oh my God, this sounds horrible, but this is reality. And this is why, and some of you have had calls with me and you're in third world countries, I talk about this because you don't have to make $8 or $10 or $15,000 for life-changing income. You just have to make $1,000. And to make $1,000, you can trip and fall onto a book that makes you $1,000 a month. The barrier of entry is equal. It's equal now. And there's never been a time on Amazon in the world that's had this. right? And that's what's so incredible. Now, I know a lot of you, okay, and I'm so passionate about this because like living in Mexico, I've just seen how far American dollars goes. And it's like, there's people here, like they're okay working for $30 a day. They're okay because one, they don't know any better, but two, because that's just what they always thought was the opportunity. But it's not anymore with the internet. It's been out forever. But now with AI, there's no price barrier to get into this business. And so without getting too long on this, you can publish a couple books and make a lot of mistakes and still get to $1,000 a month with KDP without investing any actual money into creation of the books and completely change your life. Where somebody from a more developed country, $1,000 a month is not changing your life at all. It's just gonna take a little edge off, right? They have to do that many, many, many times over before they actually start to see the change that extra income from this business is gonna do. And so that's why I always say, man, if you are in one of those countries where American dollars goes really, really far, this KDP on Amazon publishing is the only side hustle. It's the only bloody thing you should be doing with every minute of your spare time, because you can literally change your life in like 1 to 2 months. And that's just bloody awesome. Okay, now's the best time to start with Amazon, hands down, right? Back in 2016, 2017, I remember we always used to look at it and say, man, back in 2012, 2013, 2014, if we just started there, we could like publish these short little books for like no money basically and just boom, make instant cash, because the market was just empty. There was no competition. It was insane. People making $10,000 or $15,000 a month was a really big deal back then. But that's not the case anymore. Last month in January, I'm filming this in February, but in January, last month, Kindle Unlimited authors earned $58 million. They earned $58 million. And that's only from Kindle Unlimited. That doesn't include what Amazon paid out authors and publishers. That doesn't include ebook sales. That doesn't include paperback sales. That doesn't include hardbook sales. And that doesn't include audiobook sales. And they paid out almost $60 million in earnings. AI has made it easier and cheaper than ever to publish books on Amazon and make stupid money. It really has. And with some of the things that are coming this year in the AI and the publishing space, it's only about to get easier and cheaper. And I promise you that. By far, this is the best time to start this business, by far. If you've been on the fence on it, if whatever, you definitely just jump in and give it everything you can, because I honestly feel it's about to blow up to levels that nobody's ever seen with some of the AI changes and things that are being worked on right now behind the scenes. It's super exciting. More publishers are hitting $100,000 a month than I've ever seen happen in the 9 odd years I've been doing this. Like, this is one of my buddies, $158,000 is what he was paid out from just his KDP account in December. $158,000. Okay, I know some of you are like, oh, that's your Christmas sales. Okay, so let's knock off like 60 grand because it was like Christmas. That's still like 100 grand a month. Like, you're missing the point. I never saw numbers that big back in the day for 1 month. So this is absolutely insane. Buddy Ollie, in January, he made just over 100 and something thousand. Now, not all of it was directly from Kindle Publishing, all right? But it was his books that people bought that he funnels them into his higher level, higher ticket program. And all in all, the business made over 100 grand, which was directly related to his books, since he uses them as his lead magnet, as a way to get traffic. And we didn't see so many people doing it both ways, right? Either back-end sales or front-end sales with books, That was just not a thing back in the day. And just more and more and more people are doing that in this day and age with self-publishing. And it's so exciting. Now, the third fact that you need to know about publishing is this. I will not hold back in these videos anymore. And what I mean by this is let me explain. And forgive my language if I did not have to come back and start teaching people on YouTube how to do publishing with books ever again. I was so set on not being the public YouTube guy anymore. I was really enjoying not doing that. And what happened was I started publishing books with AI, and I just started making a lot of money with them. And I started thinking, I was like, damn, this is really easy now. And it doesn't cost anything. Like my highest grossing books, they've made like, I don't know, I'll put a screenshot up. But these books, they literally cost me $0. The only thing that these books, that should be on the screen now, the only thing that these books cost me was my ChatGPT subscription, which is $20 a month. That was it. Everything else I made in-house, right? Wife did the covers. I did all the writing, right? One of these books I did in a week, right? And yeah. And I was just blown away at how easy it was. And that kind of like changed something inside of me. And I was like, nobody's talking about this. Nobody's showing people how to do this. Not properly. They're all hiding behind a course. So it's like, what if I just show people how to do this on YouTube, right? Then we could get more people making money and changing their lives. And so that's what I was gonna do. And man, even like Marianne will tell you, before I published that first video, she's like, you said you were never gonna teach people again. You said you never want to go back on YouTube and teach people again. Are you sure you want to do this? I was like, yeah, like I felt like I need to. And I'm so grateful I did, because I've met so many incredible people over the last, 1.5 months that I've really been back in the space. And it's been absolutely incredible. But I tell you, things are different now, because, I don't want to hold back. I want to show you everything that you possibly need to make boatloads of money with this business in 2025 and beyond. Everything, right? I don't need to sell you a $500 or $1,000 BS course. Like, I've done that. My main focus is this. And I'll be completely honest. I want to make a crap ton of money, God tier money, okay? But I can only do that if I first help you make money first. That's it. So that is why I need you to make a lot of money, because I am not having some cheap little coaching program out there. It's gonna be expensive. And if you have no money, I can't help you. But what I can do is I can put out what I hope is some of the best Kindle publishing information on YouTube that allows you to actually make changes in your business so you make real money. And you just watch the videos, you take notes, you make changes, you rewatch videos, you join my free Publish and Profit 5-day challenge, where I take the videos that you're watching right now, but then I show you in like a deeper level, a more like step-by-step of how to do it. And it's free, and that always will be free, because if you can make a lot of money with my free content, imagine what you'll make when you work with me. Then we work together and I help scale you to $30,000 to $40,000 to $50,000 to $60,000 a month and beyond. That's why I'm doing this. And I really hope I can deliver on that. And so the best feedback you can give me is to like the video, subscribe, let me know in the comments. Is content like this actually helping you?